guys, welcome back to my channel. Sony released a new lens called FE 24-105mm f4 G OSS. So right now this lens is in pre-orders. My dad has pre-ordered it for me to do an unboxing and a review. I'm going to do the review in another video, but this video is all about unboxing. So let's check out what we have, guys. So this is the box. Pew, 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 pew. Top, bottom. So now let's see where can I open it from. Oh, right here. Like this then. Oh, I see a cover. Oh, it's called so. Oh, this is the lens. What is this? Lots of cards and a bag. It has lens, I think. Okay. Maybe it's heavy, or maybe it's not. Oh, it's not heavy. So, this is the information warranty, I guess. And this is the bag. Okay, so this would come out and you do this to open it. So I got it out, guys, from the big bag. It's like the bigger lens. Okay. Oh, I got the lens without the hood. Okay. So this is the lens. This is where the camera goes in. Okay. It's so little. Okay, guys, look at the lens. Look at the lens. So little. Very cute. Okay, I'm gonna. Oh, I think there's something. Oh, it's the crown again. The hood. The hood, which is also a crown. That's the unboxing, guys. Look at what we got. The box, the lens, the hood, the bag, and some papers. Seriously? Okay, guys, I'm gonna try to do a review in another video of this lens, but for now it's over. So make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and share if you like it. Bye bye.